Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today on Friday, February the 11th, 2022. We have here an additional with extra puzzles. First puzzle is a letter Sudoku, then we have a 2-star Sudoku, 3-star Sudoku, tectonic with 4 stars, we have a tectonic with a 1 star, binary puzzle. And those puzzles I'm not interested, so total of 6 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only 3 of them I will solve. The 3 stars Sudoku I will solve. The tectonic with 4 stars and a binary. But first, this Sudoku with 3 stars. And this will be a number 4113. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. Alright, correct me if I'm wrong, okay? It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. For 3 stars puzzle, 3 stars Sudoku, I need my time limit 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, we will see. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 3 ones. We have here 1, 2, 3 twos. We have here 1, 2, 3 threes. We have here 1, 2, 3 fours. We have here 1, 2, 2 fives. 1, 2, 3 sixes. 1, 2, 3 sevens. 1, 2, 2 eights. 1, 2, 2 nines. Okay. 4 ones. Correction, not 3 ones. 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. So let me start with the 1 in this column, and the 1 in this middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Okay. Alright. I cannot continue with the 1 now. Let me see. Which number can I pick? We have 2 fours, 3 fours. Okay. 4. So I think there are a lot of pairs. Yeah. We have a 9 in this row. 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 1, 2. 3. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in the third row, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 2, okay. Then. How about the number 3 in this column, 3 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Alright. 3, okay. 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. On the last column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in this row, 3 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. Only place left for the 3 in this column should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see digit number 1, number 3. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, the 6 is missing, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 2, 6, 9. Well, we see here 2 in this column, so no 2 there. Here 2 in the last row, so no 2 there. Only place left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 6 and the 9. The 6 and the 9, we have a 6 there, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Alright. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers 1, 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and the 9, 4 and the 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Then 2, 7, 8. Okay. How about I'm scanning. 9. Alright. 4, 3, 9. Yeah. 8. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 8. We see an 8 in this column, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. Here an 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the 3rd row, so no 8 in that box. 1 box left for the 8 should be there in this big square. Now, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6. Well, we have a 6 in this column. No 6 in that box. Here 6 in this row, so no 6 in this box. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left for the numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the 2nd row. So the 3rd row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the 3rd column, 6 in the 2nd column. So the 1st column, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 6. Need to wait. 1 box left in the 1st row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. Okay. 1 box left in the 3rd row for the number 1. The 2 is missing. Okay. Yeah, 2. Then yeah, let me see. 1, 4, 8. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. Here 1 in the last row, so no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So last column, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the 1st column, 1 in the 2nd column. So the 3rd column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there one, no one there, one should be here. And all the ones are used. I can see digit number 2, number 1. Okay. How about 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 2 missing numbers in the last row. Yeah. In the last row, those numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, 6, and the 7 is missing. 5 and a 7, 5 and a 7. And look, we have a 7 there. No 7 there, 7 should be here. And the 5 goes here. Okay. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. So 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 8 and a 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and a 9. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. A 7 should be here, and a 9 it goes there. Alright. Then. How about? Let me see. These 2 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 9. It goes there. Alright. So we have a 2. Wait. We have a... Yeah. Yeah, let me put the numbers in the boxes. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 5 and 8. How about a 7 in the third column? 7 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 4 and 8. How about these 2 numbers in the first column? 4 numbers. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and the 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 8 and the 9. Okay. Alright. Then. Let me see. Do these 2 numbers in the last column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. The 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and the 9, 8 and the 9. We have a pair now. This is a pair. 8 and a 9. So this box cannot be a 9 anymore, because the 9 should be here or there, or the 8 here or there. So this box cannot be a 9 anymore. This box should be a 4, and that box should be 8, 9. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 7 there. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes here. 4 in this row. 4 in the middle row. So the row above. The only place left for the 4 should be there. Now we have a 4 there. So this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be an 8. Now we have an 8 there. So this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 5. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. 1. The 2 is missing. 3, 4. And the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Alright. Okay. 7 in this row. 7 in the middle row. So the row below. The only place left for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in this row. Here we have 8 and a 9. The 7, the 6 is missing. Yeah, 6 is missing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 6. 6 should be there. Okay, 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Okay. So, now we have a 6 in this row. 6 in the middle rows on the row above. The only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Now we have a 7 here, so this box can be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. And this box should be an 8. 1 box left in this column for number 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. Okay, now we have a 5 here, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 2. 2 numbers left. Well, now we have a 9 there. So this box cannot be a 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. And this box should be an 8. Okay. So now we have a 9 there. So this box can be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. And this box should be an 8. Final 2 numbers of this big square for numbers 1 and 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. 3 stars. No, let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one, yes. I really do. So you cannot always tell 25 printed digits is always a 3 stars indication, no? Sometimes you have an easy one. Not a lot of pairs or not a lot of hidden numbers. Just like this one. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later for the other 2 puzzles. Before I leave, these center boxes, I'm interested. I'm analyzing those numbers for 3 weeks. I put it in a spreadsheet, and well, maybe I can see a pattern. Maybe you can see a pattern. Sometimes I see 1 pair, 2 pairs, 3 pairs, or triple pairs, or no pairs. So well, maybe I will share it with you, and maybe you can see a pattern also. Okay, here we have 4, 6, 3, 4, 6, 3, 6, 8, 2, 6, 8, 2, and 9, 5, 7. 9, 5, 7. Here we have, let me see, 1 pair. Yeah, 1 pair. The 6 is a pair. All right. Thank you again, and I will see you later for the other 2 puzzles. Binary puzzle and a tectonic one. See you then. Bye bye for now.